just a long story short, she canceled on Tyra while she was outside, literally outside.
At the door, I was waiting for you at the door.
At the door. What's going on, sis?
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you. Is it love or lust? Is it love or lust? If you got a girl at home, then boy, leave me alone. Yeah, you got a girl at home, but you won't leave me alone.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Tyra D. Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. We just gonna get straight to the point, okay? This is me prepping for my birthday or whatever. I'm about to run into the mall. I need to get a couple of little extra things, like some eyelashes. That might be just it, to be honest. We're gonna look around and see what. I order my clothes up for Shein, you know what I'm saying? So I need to try them on. I gotta set up appointments. I gotta set up my nails, my hair appointment, eyebrows, nail, hair, eyebrows, feet. What else? You know, all of the maintenance type of stuff. But so yeah, I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna go on the mall and we're gonna get what we need to get. Pure.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart.
Alright y'all, I got what I needed, which was some eyelashes from Morphe, which are really these lily lashes. My friend Corey, she told me about these. I've never used them, but she always uses them and stuff. So we're gonna see. These are in Miami. Can you see it? Yeah. Anyways, these are in the style Miami. So we're gonna see what these look like. But that's all I really needed. These windshield wipers. Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So we're gonna see what these look like. But I'm gonna see y'all when I'm like prepping, like for real, like appointments and stuff. Okay. Hey y'all, so I'm back. Okay. I'm back. It's like a week later, to be honest. I'm about to actually start the maintenance today, babe. I'm doing a whole lot right now because I just finished filming my Target hygiene shopping video. Y'all gonna see that because if you be like, girl, why you? It's the same day, babe. Okay. I'm on my way to the nail shop. I love that I got this little thing in my car now. I can talk to y'all. I'm going to get my nails. Oh wait, not yet. Oops. I'm going to get my feet done right now. And after I'm done with my feet, then come on, baby, turn. After I finish my feet, I'm going right to get my nails in. Oh shoot! I just got my vaccine. Oh baby, not the vaccine, the booster. Child, every time I come up in there, I be scared. I'm ashy. I gotta stop doing it. Why is the gas $5? Baby, please. The gas is $4.99. No. Anyway, we're going to. Where are we going? I told y'all where we was going. To the nail shop. I should have brought. Oh God. Should have brought an extra battery because I ain't got no storage on my phone. So it's not like I can record on my phone unless it's a tickety talk. We're gonna do what it do. I'm gonna shut up, okay? We're going to the nail shop to get our feet done, and then we're gonna go to get our nails done. I got this cute design I want. It's not doing too much because I don't really want to do too much. I want it to be cute, elegant, classy, short nails, French tip, but with a little cute design on them or whatever. Jesus. Let me drink some water. Whew. So yeah.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that is the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was nose, okay? Soon as you give them your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, some.
Hey YouTube. Your girl is getting her nails done for her birthday. You already know we about to heck up.
Armani and Vet and Tyra D.
Armani and Vet and Tyra D. Y'all probably ain't even seen me in a while. Let's see what original fans.
I don't know.
Let's see who been an original fan since day one. Literally. Finger licking. Chicken. Trapping in the chicken. Wait.
Remember that?
What was it? Trapping chicken. Was it finger licking? Something. It was something. But if you're a real OG, you know about it. And if you're a real OG, you know from my birthday vlog too.
I was thinking that, yeah.
You already know. But yeah, we got the beaver over here getting
You gotta
ready.
show your nails.
Oh yeah.
It's giving summertime pop.
But yeah, y'all. I you know, got a little feeling in. I was thinking like orange. Like an orange pumpkin.
Tangerine.
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 It's giving tangerine. That's what you call it.
Dude, it's giving tangerine.
Y'all, these people probably tired of us at this nail shop.
Tell them what happened. Tell them what happened. How I ended up here.
So let me tell y'all. So I recommended Tyra to a nail artist that I go get my nails done by. She do an awesome job. If you see this boo, ain't nobody bashing you, but we both mad. Just a long story short, she canceled on Tyra while she was outside. Literally outside.
I was waiting for you to know.
At the door. What's going on, sis? And not only that, but she stood me up on my birthday to get my birthday nails done. So now we know you the serial birthday nail canceller. That's what we're gonna call you. Serial birthday nail canceller. We love you though. Well, I love you. She don't know you.
Bye. I'm screaming.
But yeah, it's a good thing she did cancel though, because y'all get to see this nice aesthetics of the shop.
It's giving.
It's giving. The shop is giving luxury. It's giving material girl.
The cereal girl.
Okay. I should have now around boots. I'll try to see, do they have the, oh yeah. You can see the different nails that they do. So if you guys want y'all nails done, come to Happy Nails in Westchester, Illinois.
At this point, you need your own channel.
I got my own channel. I never post. If y'all like me on Tyra channel, please comment below if I need to post on my own channel, because I have one. I got like 3 videos, but I never post.
Literally never. This is what we're going for in a way. In a sense. That's the idea.
The warning, pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by.
I'm hollering, not you behind the lens.
You can't be fumbling on camera.
I'm not.
I made you nervous.
Oh my God, that's funny.
It's okay, Daniel, right? Daniel, don't be camera shy.
This is a cute length.
Y'all see, it's giving already.
I was gonna do shorter for the girls. Is it focusing? Here we go. I was gonna do shorter, and I wanted to do a short, but you know what? We might as well give it a little length.
Do it like a show, B-Day. Baby.
Let me hide my mind, it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind, running to the other side. And it's time to leave my life. And it tries to love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy, finding a way where you cannot see.
Alright, y'all, I got the nails done. They look so cute. It's so cute. Oh, hold on. Let me show y'all the other hand. Okay, look. It's giving focus. It's giving French tip, but keep it classy. It's so cute. And honestly, they kind of look like a little heart. I love the French tip, like tilted to the side like that. But they're so cute. I'm about to go to sleep. Well, I'm about to go home. This vaccine, baby, my arm is hurting. But tomorrow we get our hair done. And eyebrows. I don't get my lashes done because I can't see. So, you know. Armani's on the phone because she left me. Alright, I'll see y'all tomorrow. I gotta take down my hair, so I need to hurry up because it's almost 9 o'clock. Alright.
Mind with this system, we cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind is right. Only stop. I need to give up my life.
Hey y'all, I haven't talked to y'all all day because I'm looking crazy. But I got this Amazon wig I'm finna get installed. This is the second time I done tried an Amazon wig, y'all. I made a whole nother video about the other Amazon wig, but baby, what order am I gonna post this in? Am I gonna post that one before this one, girl? I don't know. But anyway, I ain't record me getting my eyebrows done because of two things. I look crazy, and because I feel like I don't want my eyebrows to be messed up, because you know when they doing your eyebrows, I got them waxed and tinted. Like, I don't know if that would mess it, but I don't know. It just feel like it would be weird if I was like having a foam right here, she all up in my face, like, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, stay tuned for that, or watch it if it's out. Anyway, that's all for now. Toodles. Hey y'all, so I'm back. Not the same day because I needed to close this video off. Baby, we're fully maintenance. You know what I'm saying? We got the hair did, the eyebrows done, and then I'm mad because it's the next day. But like, hold on, can you see it? Child, you can't even see it. But anyways, this always happens to me every time I get my freaking eyebrows waxed. They burn it. I don't know, my face is super sensitive. But yes, this is a closure wig from Amazon, y'all. But the girl that did my hair, she couldn't get the knots to bleach. So I don't know if I want to recommend y'all this wig, but it still is looking cute. We're gonna see how good this holds up. Outfit, it's really a swimsuit, but I'm not even gonna give the details because that's not even what this video is about. If you want to see the details for the outfit and all this other stuff, that's the birthday vlog, but this is just the maintenance one. I just wanted to come on here and show y'all everything per. Look at the nails one more time. I hope I ain't ashy, because if I am, don't talk about me. Mind your business, okay? These low-key look like a heart. Boom, boom. Hair is clean, eyebrows, and then what else did I get done? Oh yeah, my toes, but y'all don't need to be looking at my toes. Y'all seen when I was looking on the side. Anyways, all right, that is the end for this video, y'all. Don't forget, what am I doing? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.
Is it love or lust? Is it love or lust? If you got a girl at home, then boy, leave me alone. Yeah, you got a girl at home, but you won't leave me